Hey you, let's do something very different today. Roasting my favorite celebrities' LinkedIn profile featuring Ryan Reynolds and Gwyneth Paltrow. Most of us aren't going to build a billion-dollar empire with a LinkedIn profile that underexperienced, just say famous or self-employed, and with only one connection too. Spoiler, that's actually what Kim K's LinkedIn profile was like. What would you do if you met your hero? What would you do if you met your favorite celebrities? Well, I roast their LinkedIn profiles. Yes, it's a new thing. There are some great and terrible celebrity LinkedIn profiles out there, and today I'm going to roast a few of them. So let's get a little bit less serious and audit some of my favorite celebrity profiles. Let's see who is killing it and who could use a little bit of my LinkedIn advice. First off, Mr. Witty Dialogue himself, Ryan Reynolds. He's jumped into the business world and displayed his knack of speaking LinkedIn-ness, but with his signature dash of dry wit. I've built what the Wall Street Journal recently called a business empire. Still trying to figure out what they meant by that. A little self-deprecating to nice. Ryan has really built a fortune outside of acting with some creative use of digital marketing. He brought a digital marketing firm and used it to sell Mint Mobile and Aviation Gin for over $1 billion. Not bad. How Ryan Reynolds become a billionaire. Here's a short that you might want to check it out. Back to his LinkedIn profile, he's got over 2 million followers and show his media and non-profit experience. Overall, I'm going to give him an A+. Here are some of the recommendations I have for you, Ryan. Things are looking a little bit outdated here in this page, especially on your feature section. It's 2024 already. How about we get a link to Deadpool 3 on here somewhere? But what is really great about Ryan's LinkedIn is really his activity. He posts consistently on LinkedIn like every single week. His hook lines are also really good too. Humor always bring in new followers. As for Ryan's homework, add some multimedia work experience. Like, come on, you are in so many movies, and showcase some of that experience you have got under your belt with some articles. Next up, J-Lo. She got a surprisingly flushed out LinkedIn profile covering her experience from her time as a dancer, pop singer, to current work as a founder and CEO of a production company, Nymorican Productions, and I love her profile photo. Very editorial. She doesn't post a lot though, and she only lists one skills, film, which haven't seen Gigi. I'm not sure about that. So my rating for J-Lo's LinkedIn profile is B. My recommendation, let's change that. Jennifer hasn't posed yet. She's an iconic figure in the pop world, and we want a peek behind the curtains. Would not kill her to drop a message once in a while, right? A LinkedIn URL to J-Lo Beauty wouldn't hurt as well either. And update your about section with a bit of your incredible story. Shall we? Let's do it, J-Lo. Third, we've got the 44th president himself, Barack Obama. Although I'm not so sure somebody who has been the president really reads to be promoting themselves on LinkedIn, but I'm a fan of his profile nonetheless. He posts regularly about the work he and others do for organizations like Obama Foundation and shares some fun interviews too. He even got a pictures of himself hugging Michelle as his cover photo. How cute. It's all about presidential image. I'm all for it. So my rating is A. As for my recommendation, implement some CTA, call to action. As someone who commands an audience as large as he does, some call to action links that direct willing potential donors to important causes could be a really powerful addition to an already sold LinkedIn profile. And add some multimedia under your work experience too.
Hey Insider, do you like what you're watching so far? I really hope you do. This episode is sponsored by our very own personal brand boss, our signature LinkedIn program to create a follow-worthy personal brand that attracts your ideal clients and transform your boring LinkedIn profile into a highly converting sales page and move your readers to take action within 30 days. I cannot wait to see you there.
Number 4, Gwyneth Paltrow. Moving on, it's an award-winning actress and lifestyle guru. She's all about her company Goop, but her About section seems to downplay her unconventional approach to wellness. Paltrow has pushed many conversations, primarily around health, wellness, and mindfulness, into the mainstream, shining the light on our basic right to have clean and healthy food. Yet no mention of yoni eggs and vampire facials. If you're a fan of her company, her profile will really get your attention. She also smart use of her LinkedIn URL to redirect people to gooped.com. Her feature section is pretty good too, with updated for 2024. But one of the areas that I really didn't like is the About section, because she talked about herself in the third person. Why? She also smart use of the honors and award, 1999 Academy Award. I think Ryan, J-Lo, Obama should really learn from her in that area. One of the improvement area though is obviously Gwyneth didn't need recommendation about her actress work. But how about from her lawyer, Gooped customers? So my rating for her LinkedIn profile is A+. And my recommendation is boost video content. Video is bigger and bigger part of LinkedIn game lately. So her posts are seriously lacking in that, especially for a film actress. And also claim your LinkedIn URL, Gwyneth Paltrow. It's Gwyneth Paltrow. Save it and delete 483B551A, shall we? Finally, we've got Steph Curry, or Steven, as he goes by on his LinkedIn profile. He just seems like an all-round good dude, so it's hard to roast him even if you're not a fan of the Warriors. His LinkedIn profile show off much of his charity and business work outside of the basketball court. He also posts regularly with links, media from Curry brand to the Eat, Learn, Play Foundation. He isn't afraid to throw in some jokes too, with some self-deprecating humor about ruining the game. Anyone who watched a young imitator of his break a 3-point attempt will get the joke. My rating is A. For my recommendation for him is, where's the feature section, Steven? Just like the game of basketball has changed, so has the LinkedIn game as well. We've got to keep it up. You could probably get a few more endorsements of your listed skills, sports too. Only 4 people seems to think you're any good at it so far. Steven. And with that, I conclude my celebrity LinkedIn profile roast. Wait, audit. Hopefully I didn't go too rough on them. Stay tuned for more fun and informative videos on everything LinkedIn. If there's one thing I shared today get you one step closer for being the CEO you desire to be, then I've done my job right. If you loved today's video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and I cannot wait to see you same time next week. Bye for now. Hey, miss me already? And want to watch more video to level up your LinkedIn game? I think you're going to love this video as well. Click on it.